So what you doing on this table, young? What y'all doing right here? Oh shit. What do you do with that, my guy? Hang on. Alright, so he the carpenter, huh? This is the measuring man right here. Precision. That's the man in the middle. Wait, let me. Put the bone back.